Hi guys, in this short video I'm going to tell you that how you can easily turn off auto connect Wi-Fi option in your iPhone. So that's quite simple task. If you want to turn off the auto connect Wi-Fi option in your iPhone, so simply head over to the settings, then click on Wi-Fi. Now you will see the list of the Wi-Fi connections that are available and the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. Now simply select the Wi-Fi that you want that you don't want to auto connect and click on the this button in front of that Wi-Fi. Now you'll head over to this page. Now all you have to do is to click toggle that bar off next to the auto join option. Now you will not connect to this Wi-Fi automatically, and and this wraps up the tutorial. So I hope that you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.